Hello everyone. In today's content, I'm going to show you how to generate AI images just like these using a completely free software called PicLumen. 10.21.1. PicLumen is a free AI image generator and a very useful tool. To use it, you must first register for an account. The simplest and fastest way is to log in directly with your Google account. Once you've registered and clicked Launch App, we'll land on its main operational page. On the main interface, you'll first see the Explore page. This showcases work generated by other creators, and you can filter by hot, new, or challenge categories. I recommend spending a minute here to browse. It's a great place to find inspiration and see the boundaries of what this AI can do. Below, you can also select your preferred language, such as English, Spanish, or others. You'll also find the FAQ and tutorial sections here. If you want to deeply understand a specific feature, you can find the official answers right here. Of course, you can also just keep watching this video, and I will walk you through the entire core workflow. Now let's click the Create button at the bottom of the interface to enter the core creation zone. At the top, you'll see these options. These options are essentially different AI models. Some are developed by PicLumen itself, while the last one, a very popular model, is called Flux. To get the best results, we'll prioritize Flux Shell. This is the free version of the Flux model, and its output quality is usually the most stunning. Next, let's look at the settings on the right. Aspect ratio. There are plenty of options here. If you're creating for Instagram or TikTok, you might choose 9:16 or 3:4. I typically produce content for video, so I'm choosing 16.9, which ensures the assets will perfectly fit my video projects. Number of images. You can choose to generate 1 to 4 images from a single prompt. I'll set it to 2 for this. If you want more diverse options, you can slide it to 4, but generating 2 images will be faster. With the settings complete, let's look at the prompt window. It has 2 great assistant features: Auto Translate and Prompt Enhance. Auto Translate allows you to type in your native language, and the system will automatically translate it to English. Prompt Enhance helps you expand a simple idea into a rich description that the AI can better understand. Let's test it. I'll type in a simple prompt. A cat wearing an astronaut helmet floating in space with a distant nebula in the background. Then I'll click Prompt Enhance. In just a few seconds, PicLumen generates a much longer, more descriptive, and expanded prompt for me. With everything selected, let's click the Generate button. One small drawback of PicLumen is that it currently doesn't have a progress indicator, so you just have to wait for it to complete. This is one area for improvement, and hopefully a progress bar will be added in the future. But considering its free nature and the quality of the output, this short wait is completely worth it. Alright, the results are in. We got 2 images, and frankly, they both look quite good. Very realistic. The quality of the lighting and the sharpness of the details are handled very well. I especially like the starlight reflecting off the cat's helmet in the first image, and the vibrant colors of the nebula in the background. If you click the 3 dots on the image, you can download, delete, copy link, or remove background. This feature is very useful for quickly isolating the subject, like this cat, for other designs. Next, let's test its Remix feature. This is essentially its image-to-image function, which will use your selected image as a base for a new creation. I'll use the cat image we just generated and click Remix. This time, we'll switch models to process it, selecting PicLumen's in-house realistic model, and click Generate. We're using the exact same prompt but with a different AI model, hoping to see some differences in style or composition. Okay, the new results are here. We got another 2 images. To be fair, these also look good, but in my personal opinion, this realistic model isn't quite as refined or photorealistic as the Flux Shell model we used earlier. This just reaffirms the superior performance of Flux Shell on the PicLumen platform. Therefore, on PicLumen, Flux Shell is my personal model of choice. Let's test one more important feature: image reference. But please note a limitation. Currently, as of this recording, the most powerful Flux Shell model does not support the image reference feature. This is a common trade-off, as the strongest models often prioritize core functions. To use this feature, we must switch back to PicLumen's realistic model. After switching models, we'll upload a reference image. Here, I'm using an official reference picture, a portrait of a girl. With the reference image loaded, I'll type in a brand new prompt: a girl in a cyberpunk city. Next, I'll use Prompt Enhance again to flesh it out. Click Generate. The result came out very quickly. We got a cyberpunk-style female character. However, I personally feel the original reference image looked better than this regenerated version. But this still demonstrates the AI's attempt to merge the prompt with the reference image's composition. It successfully captured the pose of the reference figure, but applied the cyberpunk style from our prompt, even if the blend isn't perfect. Below your generated images, you'll find advanced functions like upscale, inpaint, and expand. Let's try the expand feature. This is similar to AI outpainting and is perfect for extending the borders of your image. I'll stretch the canvas outwards, hoping the AI will fill in more of the background for our character. I'll set the upscale factor to 2x, keep the prompt the same, and click Submit. After a few seconds, the result is ready. You can see the original image box and the new background the AI generated around it. To be honest, in this specific case, the model didn't do a great job with the integration. The new background feels a bit disconnected from the main subject. This might be due to our prompt, or perhaps a different image would yield a better result. You'll have to test this for yourself. Finally, let's look at the account system. On your account page, there's a usage dashboard. You can see your daily generation count. For free accounts, the system provides 0.5 hours of fast time per day. So, what exactly is fast time? It means that during this half hour, your generation tasks will receive the highest execution priority. The system will process your requests first, giving you faster image generation. For free users, this is a very valuable speed boost. In summary, PicLumen is a powerful and worthwhile free AI image tool to explore, especially with its inclusion of the Flux model, which can produce stunning results. I hope this detailed tutorial has given you a comprehensive understanding of how to use PicLumen. Now, I'm curious, what kind of images are you most excited to generate with it? Or how do you think it compares to other AI tools you've used? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this content valuable, please be sure to like and subscribe, as I'll continue to bring you more in-depth reviews of AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.